What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we're going to be trying a Starbucks drink today. So we're going to be starting to try some of the fall related drinks, and of course we can't do pumpkin yet because pumpkin isn't out in my Starbucks yet, but we could do some apple related drinks. So we're going to be trying the apple chai tea, and I'm kind of excited. I don't know if it's the tea or latte. I think it's kind of like the same thing, but I'm so excited. If you don't know me, as I was saying, I love tea. Tea is my favorite, and I especially love a good chai tea. So I decided to try it with apple juice instead of milk, so that's how we'll be doing it if they let me. I'm not sure how this is gonna go. I don't know if they can do that, but we're going to try, and I'm so excited. So if you guys are excited for this video, give it a like, comment down below video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more, and let's go to Starbucks.
We're at Starbucks. I'm getting started for you.
Hey, can I get a tall chai latte?
Yeah, a tall hot chai tea latte.
Instead of milk, is there any way I could do apple juice?
Yeah. So a tall hot chai, but still have apple juice for the milk?
Yes, please.
Sure thing. What else for you?
That's it.
All right, come on up. Thanks.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You as well. Okay guys, so I have the drink here. It's obviously so hot and I'm nervous. I don't know how it's gonna be. Let me turn my car off. I'm nervous because it's hot and I don't want to burn myself, but it smells really, really good. It smells like apple juice. I'm just scared the apple juice is gonna take over the chai flavor. I'm gonna mix it. Okay, here we go. Oh, that was hot. Oh wait, that was good. Hold up. Oh my god, that is so good. That is delicious. It tastes like hot apple cider, and then obviously the chai gives it like a more of like a cinnamon nutmeg flavor, but it's like very light. It's really good. I did not expect it to be this good. What? It's really hot, so I'm taking tiny sips because I'm gonna burn this shit out of my mouth. Oh my god. I never knew this was like a thing. It's so good. It would be perfect during like the colder weather. Obviously not during this time, it's pretty hot now still. But this is amazing. I would totally get this because like I'm a hot chocolate girl, but I'm not a huge Starbucks hot chocolate girl. So this during the colder weather is gonna be amazing. I totally recommend this for you guys. 10 out of 10. Go try it. I'm obsessed. If you like apple juice, if you like chai, put it together and what do you got? An apple chai latte. Delicious. I totally recommend. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm going to make sure this cools down, and then I'm going to finish the rest of it when I get home. I'm so excited to finish it. It's actually really, really good. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a like. Comment down below video ideas. Comment down below video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more. I love you guys, and I'll see you next one. Bye.